For many truck owners, a toolbox is more than just extra storage. It keeps valuable gear organized, protected, and ready when needed. Whether you're carrying tools for work, recovery equipment for off-road trips, or everyday essentials, the right truck toolbox can make a big difference. In this video, we're looking at the 7 best truck toolboxes available right now. We'll talk about a variety of styles, sizes, and designs that offer strong security, smart storage, and durable construction. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these truck toolboxes aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Arxon Diamond Plate Toolbox. This is the most budget-friendly pick on our list. This toolbox is made of heavy-duty aluminum with a diamond tread pattern across the entire surface. This diamond design actually adds compression resistance, so the box holds its shape even when things get rough on the road. And the polished finish resists rust and corrosion, which matters a lot if your truck is out in the rain, mud, or heat regularly. Plus, the seams are hand-welded for extra strength, so it's not going to come apart on you. Now, it comes in at 20 by 12 by 10 inches. It's compact enough to fit without swallowing your whole truck bed, but still roomy enough for a solid set of tools or gear. There's a side handle for easy carrying, and it locks with a key. 2 keys come included, which is a nice touch. Also, the design is waterproof and dustproof, which keeps everything inside dry and clean. And it's low maintenance, so it doesn't need any special treatment to keep it looking and working well over time. One customer wrote, "I got this to use as a small bumper-mounted box on my travel trailer. I wasn't expecting much given the price point, but I was pleasantly surprised." The quality, finish, and coating were way better than comparable truck toolboxes that I was looking at. Super durable, attractive, and strong yet lightweight. On these points, it's a winner, but the affordable price seals it. So, if you want a reliable, well-built toolbox without spending a lot, the Arxon Diamond Plate is hard to beat. Number 6 is the Undercover Swing Case Truck Bed Storage Box. This is the best swing box on our list. Most toolboxes just sit in your bed and eat up space. This one swings out nearly 180 degrees towards you when you need it, then tucks right back over the wheel well when you don't. You don't have to climb in or dig around because everything comes to you instead, and it plays well with whatever tonneau cover you already have. Soft, hard, folding, or rolling. Also, the swing case keeps a 3-inch clearance from the bed, so it fits right under virtually all of them without any problem. And inside, there's an organizational tray to keep things from becoming a jumbled mess, and a moisture seal that keeps rain and dust out. It holds up to 75 pounds, so it's not just for small stuff. And when you close it, it locks with a key, so your gear stays put. Installation is quick too. You are not gonna need special tools. And it's backed by a 1-year guarantee with US-based support if anything comes up. It's also made versa USA. So if you want a truck storage box that's genuinely easy to use every single day, the swing case is worth every penny. Number 5 is the Truxedo Tonneau Mate Toolbox for Truck Bed. This is the most versatile option on our list. The smartest thing about the Tonneau Mate is how it mounts inside the truck bed. Instead of taking up valuable floor space, it sits elevated along the bed rail. That means you can still use the entire bed floor for larger cargo while keeping your smaller items organized and easy to reach. It's durable as well. The strong construction can support up to 200 pounds of cargo, so it's more than capable of handling tools, equipment, and other heavy items. As for the security, it's solid too. It has a built-in lock and key system that helps protect your belongings, and when paired with a truck bed cover above it, your gear stays even more secure. Installation is surprisingly simple as well. It clamps to the side rails on most full-size trucks without requiring a complicated setup. So if you want a truck toolbox that can save space and keep your gear secure, the Truxedo Tonneau Mate is easily one of the most versatile options you can get. Number 4 is the DZ Red Label Utility Toolbox. This is the best trunk-style toolbox. At first glance, it looks simple, but the trunk-style design gives you a large open space that's easy to load and organize. Whether you're carrying hand tools, power tools, straps, or job site gear, everything has room to fit without feeling cramped. A big reason for that is the chest-style layout. Instead of dividing the space into smaller sections, it gives you one large storage area that makes it easier to store bulky items. And because it's made from non-rusting bright tread aluminum, it can handle years of use without worrying about corrosion. Plus, the protective gloss black powder coat finish adds another layer of durability and gives it a clean, low-profile look in the truck bed. Then there are the side handles, which make moving the box around much easier when you need to take it out or reposition it. Security is well covered too. The lockable stainless steel paddle handle latches help keep your tools protected. So if you want a classic trunk-style toolbox with plenty of space and dependable security, the DZ Red Label Utility Toolbox is an easy choice. And if you want to know the latest prices for the truck toolboxes discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you... Number 3 is the Vevor Aluminum Truck Bed Toolbox. This is the most heavy-duty option on our list. This toolbox can take a beating and keep going. The aluminum alloy construction has a diamond tread pattern on the outside, plus a double-sided powder coating on top of that. So it's not just tough on the surface, the corners are reinforced too. It keeps the box from warping or getting dinged up during hauling and transport. And the overhanging lid creates a tight seal all the way around, so water stays out even in heavy rain or snow. At 39 by 13 by 10 inches, there's enough room for buckets, fire extinguishers, warning signs, and maintenance tools. The stuff that's hard to fit anywhere else in your truck. Plus, it works in pickups, trailers, and RVs, so it moves with you wherever the job takes you. The handles are wide enough to grip comfortably, even with work gloves on. And the gas strut holds the lid open at 110 degrees, so you're not juggling verse in hand while digging around inside. For security, a stainless steel lock with 2 keys is included. So if you need a toolbox that can handle the toughest conditions without flinching, the Vevor is the one to get. Number 2 is the Craftsman Full Slim Truck Bed Toolbox. This is the best value on our list. It's a full-size crossover box that gives you a lot more than you'd expect at this price. It spans 71 inches across and mounts right behind the cab on most full-size pickup bed rails, and the slim profile is the key here. It doesn't swallow your bed. You still have plenty of room behind it for lumber, gear, or whatever else you're hauling. The box is built from 17-gauge aluminum, with a matte black powder coat finish on the inside and out. That coating resists scratches and wear, so it holds up through daily use without looking rough after a few months. The lid opens with one hand. The dual auto-lift shocks do the heavy lifting and stop it from slamming down on you. Push-button handles on both sides let you access it from either side of the truck, and both lock for security. A full piano hinge runs the entire length of the lid, which keeps it solid and aligned for the long haul. Also, the weather sealing is solid too. The rubber gasket and fully welded construction keep rain and dirt out of your gear. And installation uses a drill-free kit, so setup is straightforward. And it's backed by a 5-year limited warranty. So if you want a full-size crossover box that's well-built and won't hurt your wallet, the Craftsman is genuinely hard to beat. Number 1 is the Craftsman Aluminum Crossover Truck Toolbox. This is the best overall. It's a crossover box that checks every box you need, including space and usability. It mounts right behind the cab on most full-size pickups and has a low-profile design. You still get a clear view out of your rear window, which a lot of taller boxes take away from you. And storage isn't a compromise either. At 11 cubic feet, there's a lot of room inside. Everything fits without cramming, whether it's tools, gear, or supplies. The bed stays open behind it too, so you're not giving up your whole truck just for storage. Now, it's made from 17-gauge aluminum throughout, with a matte black powder coat on the inside and outside. That means abrasion resistance from both directions, not just the surface you can see. And the fully welded seams and a rubber weather seal keep rain, dust, and dirt out of your gear. Plus, it's easy to open, and the dual auto lift shocks hold the lid up so you're not wrestling with it. The heavy-duty paddle handles lock on the driver's side for quick and secure access. And the full piano hinge runs the length of the lid that keeps everything aligned and solid over time. Installation uses a drill-free kit, so you're not cutting into your truck to get it set up. So if you want one box that does everything right, the Craftsman crossover is the one to get. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect truck toolbox. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each truck toolbox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.